Hey, what's up everybody? I'm Superior Shelby, your favorite small business development coach, and welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time here, welcome to my channel. I am a small business development coach, a YouTuber of 5 years, an entrepreneur of 7 years, 6-figure earner, and I've helped over 800 plus small businesses get grants approvals. Okay, so let's dive into it. Today's topic is going to be a trademark versus a DBA, because lately in my consultations, you guys have been actually asking this question, and I just want to give everyone a clear understanding of what the difference between a trademark and a DBA, whether or not you need to do a trademark in your foundations, or when you should gain a trademark, and whether or not if you need a DBA or not. All right, so let's get right into it.
Thank you so much. You are the best person to be following.
We're able to immediately develop a level of trust and connection with her.
Can't stop trusting you. You're the best for me. I can assure you, you are the best, really the best.
You provided me with top-notch information that is going to help my business soar.
Session with Shelby, I can't tell you how much value she can add to you and how much encouragement just being in her presence and just...
She answered all the questions I had before I even could ask them. She's legit. Yes. And I look forward to working with her for a long time. Thank you.
Thank you, Shelby.
We thank you so much. Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, Superior Shelby, and we will talk to you soon.
To it. The first thing that we need to understand is what is a trademark, all right? What is a trademark and what is trademarking in general? A trademark is a unique symbol, word, or phrase that identifies and legally protects a product or service's brand identity. It distinguishes a business's offerings from those of its competitors and can include logos, slogans, brand names, and sometimes sound. So trademarks is simply the legal binding that says, or the legal contract that says, nobody else can use your stuff, period. So Netflix, the big red N. Let's actually talk about Netflix branding. I think I want to talk about Netflix branding and some more branding stuff in the next video, because brand management is very important, very vital to what's to come in 2024 for your business development for sure. But Netflix, the red N, that's trademark. The sound, that's trademark. Even the old Netflix logo, remember it was like the N was huge and it was like Netflix, so it was like Netflix. It was long. I was so old. So yeah, they've been trademarking every step of the way. All right. So all of that, nobody else can use that big red N like that without permission. All right, or you'll get sued. So it's the idea of legally solidifying the fact that no one else can use your stuff without your permission. All right, so that's your name, your logos, your slogans, your sounds, your art, your creativity. They can't use your stuff without your permission. That is what a trademark is. So let's go into the benefits of trademarking for small businesses. One is brand protection, obviously. So it's protecting you from anybody else using your brand. So for me being Superior Shelby and I'm developing my personal brand, right? And then we also have the business brand, which is Superior Solutions. Well, with me developing both of them, I must trademark not only Superior Solutions, but also Superior Shelby too. By me being a brand, and I'm pretty sure you guys have noticed that there's other YouTube videos that have my face on it. Well, with me having a trademark, I can protect myself from other people using my face, my content, and whatever is entailed in my brand, right? Definitely going through a legal battle behind that. So we'll talk about that later in the year. Legal protection. So owning a trademark gives you exclusive rights to your brand and on a national scale too. So it's not just your local government, but it's for the entire United States. Nobody can use your stuff. Nobody can use your name, none of that stuff without your permission. Brand identity. Trademarks build brand recognition, fostering customer loyalty and trust. So brand identity, the trademark protects you in that. All right, so when you guys see like my double S logo and things like that, that's my brand. You should already know. Even if you see a double S or like the supercharged SS, you know, for like cars, like Camaros and old school cars. Well, our S's are different, right? That's like a supercharged S that lets you know that this car has a supercharged engine, right? And then like my double S's is literally we're supercharging your business. That's what it is. All right, so different things. Valuable assets. All right, over time, trademarks can become significant and tangible assets, adding value to your business. So this literally goes right back to the Netflix thing where the end becomes a valuable asset, right? So that way no one else can use it. If someone else freaking uses it, or even that sound, like, right, then it is an asset. They have to pay for that. So sometimes if you are watching a movie and inside of the movie, the family is watching a movie on Netflix and you just so happen to hear, doo-doo, well, that movie production company or the executive producers had to pay Netflix just to use that sound in that movie. Get where I'm coming from? Hope I did not make that complicated. All right, so let's talk about the steps to actually trademarking your business. I'm gonna go just kind of like go over the surface level of this thing. I'm not gonna dive super deep into this because ultimately I don't want to confuse you guys. But I'm gonna give you the general basics on how to do this. And I'm gonna be very transparent with you, and then you can determine on whether or not you want to get a trademarking lawyer or if you want to do this yourself. And if you need a lawyer, just keep watching. I got something for you. All right. So steps to trademarking your business. Step 1, research. Ensure your brand isn't infringing on existing trademarks. This can be done through trademark search. I did provide the actual steps and the links inside of the article. The link to the article is down below in the description, okay? Make sure you guys subscribe to my blog thing. Like, why haven't you? I give like so much good information over there. Okay, medium.com/@superior.shelby. That's where you can get all of the free grant lists I'm dropping, as well as all of this good information. All right, so the links is there, the hyperlinks are there. What you need to do is you need to research your name. So you're going to go to the uspto.gov and you're going to search for your business name. If you do not see your business name, great. All right, that means it's up for grabs. If you do not see your business name, if you do see your business name, it's A-okay. All right, then that means we need to focus on the brand identity for your company. I'm Superior Solutions, but there is definitely other Superior Solutions businesses all across the nation. You have like a mechanic shop, and you have like a imaging and all kind of stuff. Like, so there's multiple Superior Solutions. There's only one that is a business development consultancy. That's mine. All right, let's move forward. Know the fees. There's 2 different options. You have a Tease Plus and a Tease Standard. All right. The cost to apply for and maintain a trademark registration depends on multiple factors. For example, your initial application cost depends on which application filing form option you choose and the number of classes of goods or services in your application. Once you apply, you may need to pay additional fees depending on your filing basis. After your trademark registers, you will need to pay the maintenance fees periodically, which is usually annually, to keep the registration alive. All right, so you have 2 different types of filing options. You have a Tease Plus and a Tease Standard. The Tease Plus filing option, so the difference between Tease Plus and Tease Standard. The Tease Plus filing option has more requirements up front when you submit your initial application. As a result, you pay a lower fee per class of goods and services. The Tease Standard filing option has fewer requirements up front, and however, you must eventually meet all the requirements or the application requirements and pay a higher fee per class of goods and services. So Tease Plus has more requirements up front in the initial application process, but it costs less per service and good that you are adding onto that application. When you're going through the application process, it is going to ask, does your business, is it a service-based business, or do you have like goods, you know what I mean, or products? And so you are going to list each product that you have or each service that you have. And per service and per product, you must pay anywhere between the fees of either $250 if you decide to go with the T's Plus option, $250 per service or good, or if you go with the T's Standard option, you will be paying $350 per service and good. Now, this is not being fully transparent, this is not the ultimate trademarking fee. No, there's more fees that comes with this. Ultimately, the cost for doing a thorough trademark, it can cost you about $1,000, $1,200 or so, around that. Okay, probably more. Just letting you know, if you decided to do this on your own, depending on what type of business you have. All right. So let's move along. You're going to create your mark, design a unique logo, slogan, or name that represents your business, and you're going to upload it there. Choose the classes, identify the classes of goods or services in your trademark, and then you'll start to see how much the fees will be. But I did provide the link in the article, so that way you can refer to that link in order to have some things in order before you submit the actual application via Tees. Tees is the trademarking electronic system, so that's where you would actually upload all of this information. You will complete the application. You'll also log in and check the status of the application as well. Doing a trademark can take you up to 18 months to complete. Just to let you know, it can take you 12 to 18 months to complete this process. So this is not an overnight thing. This is something that you definitely want to implement into your business if your business is already making cash flow, okay? So let me keep going. Respond to the office actions. So obviously having that email address will be good with correspondence. Trademark publications. So allow for a period where others can oppose the trademark. So they want you to publicize the fact that you're going to trademark it. So in other words, post it in the newspaper or publicize it. You can honestly post it on social media, and that should be good enough too, because that is very much public. Once you post, hey, I'm going to be using this logo, I would do a story post and a regular post, and I will put my logo, and I will be trademarking, this is my business name, here's a logo, and if you have a sound, add the sound to the story or to the reels. That is publishing the entire thing, letting them know that you will be doing trademark. Allow for a period. I will allow 7 days before somebody says something. 14 days, or you can do 30 days if you want, considering this is a whole 18-month process. After that, then once approved, or after that you want to do registration. Once approved and opposed, the trademark is registered. So then you should be good to go. All right, so like I said, it can take you 12 to 18 months with registering this, and you can check the status of your application online using the trademark status and document retrieval system. That's the TSDR. Once your application is filed with them, you'll receive a serial number in your filing receipt. Just go to the TSDR, type in your serial number, and you can see what's happening with your application status, as well as view, print, and download any documents in your file. You'll also be able to see if you have any outstanding deadlines to respond to too. So the TSDR is where you would check the filing status, making sure your trademark is still actively registered, and any fees and deadlines that you might have, okay? New documents may not show up in the TSDR immediately, so don't worry if you don't see any documents in that in the same date filed. It's okay. It can appear within 4 to 5 business days, okay? If you guys need any help with uploading your documents, considering you are a new applicant, I did post the direct information, but I'll give it to you here. You can call them at 1-800-786-9199, or you can email them directly at trademarkassistancecenter@uspto.gov. Okay. All right. So you can hit them up and they have a support team that will help you out. Now that's all trademarking, all right, all of that good stuff. But it is a complex thing, but it is definitely something that you can do on your own, all right? If you are vigilant and if you are a person that loves to research and loves to actually execute things and see things to the end of it, then yeah, go ahead and have at it. Doing this trademarking thing will be something that like you will enjoy. But if you are not great with paperwork, if you are not great with business administration stuff and just documents and all of that and research and all that good stuff, and if you are not good with just trying to comprehend how these steps work and you're not tech savvy, I totally get it. Such a relief to know that your business is protected. So if you want a trademarking lawyer, an actual lawyer to file this for you, so you know for a fact that this is getting done correctly, on time, effectively, and efficiently, then you can go ahead and click the link down below to Miss Rosanna Pierce Law Group, okay? Or you can visit at the Biz Lawyer. You can tell her Superior Shelby sent you. But the Biz Lawyer, she is a woman on Instagram who you guys can follow, and she will be more than happy, and her team will be more than happy to help you guys out with getting a trademark done for your business. And who knows, maybe she can like expedite the process because she's a lawyer. I don't freaking know. So hit up Rosina, okay? Now, when should you trademark your business? If I was you, I would trademark my business once my business started receiving some type of cash flow. Like, I wouldn't do it if I haven't received any type of cash flow, at least like $3,000, right? Because this trademark can cost you up to like $2,000 or whatever the case may be, or sometimes more, depending on how many services and goods you have. So with that being said, make sure your business is already generating some type of cash flow. Also, keep in mind that trademarking is protecting your business and blessing your business with a brand identity and increasing your business's reputation. So once you get a trademark, you want to make sure that your business is, making money. Like, you want to make sure that it's already good and making some type of profits. You don't want to do this step as an initial foundation, like getting your LLC and EIN. You kind of don't want to put this in there because, like I said, it can take you up to 18 months to do this, right? So you'll be waiting a long time to get the ball rolling. And then two, it's costly, all right? So make sure you are already making money, right? Prove that to yourself first, and then we're going to protect the brand, all right? So what is a DBA? A DBA is pretty much an acronym for doing business as, all right? It allows a business to operate under a name different from its legal name. So for example, if John Smith wants to run his business as Smith's Bakery, we will register it as Smith's Bakery as a DBA. So it's pretty much a DBA is a nickname for your small business. For my small business, or for my business, we are technically, our full name is Superior Business Development Solutions. However, my doing business as, my DBA is Superior Solutions. Simple and straight to the point for you guys, because I know you don't want to say all day, hey, is this Shelby from Superior Business Development Solutions? Like, that's pretty long. So Superior Solutions is really simple, straight to the point, easy. It is a nickname for my business. It is the DBA for my business. When you're filing your DBA, depending on which state you live in, you have to file this through your Secretary of State or your Department of Corporations, or like wherever you file your LLCs at in your particular state. And it can either come up as file a DBA or file a fictitious name. Fictitious names mean fake name or nickname, all right? So nickname, DBA, same thing. First you want to do is check the name availability. So make sure nobody else is using this name as a DBA. So Superior Solutions would be a DBA for me. But there might be a Superior Solutions LLC in Florida, right, in my state, but they have an LLC, right? That's the name of their limited liability company. but the name of my limited liability company is Superior Business Development Solutions. So that means that I can use Superior Solutions as a DBA as long as nobody else is using it as a nickname, okay? You can file the DBA through your Secretary of State, or you can simply use LegalZoom. LegalZoom, I have an affiliate link for you down below, okay? It'll be easy for you. I decided to finally affiliate myself with LegalZoom because why not? I'm a small business development coach. And sometimes there's a situation where going through LegalZoom and these third-party, place sites and stuff can actually help us get all of these things as a bundle versus just getting them a la carte, right? So file your DBA. You can use LegalZoom, or you can go to your state secretary website and file this, all right? Publish the DBA. So you have to publish it, just like with the trademark, you have to publish it online. I've been publishing everywhere, Superior Solutions. Nobody has said anything. Hey, okay. And then keep in mind, you do have a renewal for your DBAs as well, just like how you have to do a renewal or an annual filing for your LLCs and your corporations. You have to do the same thing for your DBA, just like how you have to do the same thing for your trademarks too. Everything has an annual reoccurrence, okay? So, in conclusion, for this video, all right? For small businesses, for you guys to actually, and for entrepreneurs to understand the difference, DBA is a nickname. Trademark is protecting the brand. Two totally different things. I don't know why we're getting this thing here confused, all right? Now, if you want to know whether or not you should do a DBA first before filing a LLC, let me tell you something before you decide you want to cut the corners. DBA is simply a nickname. How the nickname gonna be a nick and it ain't gonna have an actual name? You know what I mean? It's a nickname. That's what it is. Fictitious name. That's what it is. You need to have an original name. What is your full name? Okay? So that's the catch to this. I don't want you guys under the impression of, oh, because I'm a sole prop, I can just go ahead and file a DBA. Technically, yes, you could. And as a sole prop, technically, might be cool for you, right? But why not gain an LLC and do that route, right? And only get a DBA if your business name is stupid long, right? Or if it's just something that's so long and then you just feel like, you know what, I just want to have these two words, something simple and easy, okay? So don't worry about this. If you decide you want to do a trademark, like I said before, prove to yourself and to your business that it actually works and that your strategies and all that stuff works, okay? Get some cash flow first. I would save up about at least $3,000 before I start filing for a trademark, okay? And if you don't want to file this trademark or don't have the time to, because you need to focus on like developing the other parts of development in your business, totally get it. You can use Rosanna Pierce. She is my affiliate. She is the go-to woman for the job, okay? She is an actual lawyer, been doing this for well over years, okay? And I do have her link down below to her website, as well as you can follow her on Instagram at TheBizLawyer. This has been fun, and I'm so happy that you have watched all the way to the end of the video. I hope that this video was very informative and that you have clarity and understanding of what the difference between the two is. If this video was good enough for you, I would graciously appreciate it if you like, subscribe, and share this video on all of the other social media platforms, if you will, and other people, okay? So that other people can come over here to YouTube and they can get all this good information. They won't miss out on it, okay? And make sure you subscribe to medium.com, all right? That's where I drop all of these free grant lists and all of my blog posts and all that good stuff. All of this good information I'm talking about, we're literally reading my articles and scripts through medium.com, so make sure you subscribe and follow me there, okay? Until next time, I will see you guys next time, okay? Before we get up out of here, I forgot to say, I offer 45-minute one-on-one strategy sessions that allows us to, really allows you to gain the clarity and reassurance that you need on developing your company. I have been a small business development coach for years, okay? And I have a 71% success rate in getting grant approvals. And I've been through the ebbs and flows of business, you guys. I know this stuff. So hit me up comment down below, #session, okay? And I will go ahead and send you the direct consultation link so you and I can have a 45-minute one-on-one session. Until next time, I'm Superior Shelby, and I will talk to you guys soon. Peace.